Introducing the Tandem Axle 9x72 steel teardrop tread plate fender, the ultimate addition to your trailer. Made with high-grade steel, this fender ensures exceptional strength and resilience. It provides long-lasting performance for your trailer. The fender is perfect for 15 to 16-inch tires. Its tread plate design offers an aggressive and edgy look. Measuring in at 9 inches wide, 20 inches high, and 72 inches long, this fender provides ample coverage, effectively shielding your trailer from dirt, debris, and road spray. Installation is a breeze with its user-friendly design, allowing you to quickly and securely attach it to your trailer without any hassle. When you order from the Trailer Parts Outlet, you get the peace of mind that comes working with a company that truly cares about your success. Our team of dedicated experts is committed to delivering the solutions you need faster than anyone else so you can get back to doing what you do best. We make it easy to find and order the highest quality trailer parts and accessories with a user-friendly website, knowledgeable staff, free shipping, and lightning fast delivery. You can have confidence in every purchase you make. So why wait?